brother, Chris, is always the artsy one. If you haven't heard, he wrote a book. Which means I do not. Today. So what is some kind of a creature, some kind of an animal?
Lizard.
Well, a lizard. And what is something a lizard normally wouldn't be able to do?
Fly.
The flying lizard. Yes. Perhaps you've heard of my novel, The Flying Lizard. It's very deep, and I would like to take you through the writing process of the Flying Lizard. Chapter 1. The birds and animals were out and playing in the bright sunshine. All was well, and Eddie the lizard walked onto the scene. For some reason, his lips were always chapped.
I say had a little more beeswax in his scene. What's the toxic scene around here?
This is the price of living in a dry community, very dry and high in altitude. And there once was a beautiful lady lizard, Lana. Lana the lizard. Who also had very dry lips. But she pulled it off. And our male lizard, he wanted so badly to talk to her. But because he was a chameleon, he kept blending in with his surroundings. Doing his impression of rocks.
I wish I weren't so lonely.
Lana was lonely, terribly lonely. She'd just gone through a very nasty breakup with a ski bump.
I've eaten so much ice cream in the last 24 hours I can't stand it.
Even Ben and Jerry are sick of talking to her. Chapter 2. The squirrels were out playing. And Lenny the lizard walked out to see what was going on. When one of the squirrels decided to get on a very high place and jump from it.
I don't think I can live anymore. Well, yeah, I'm really sad. My whole family's gone nuts.
He even forgot that he was a flying squirrel, so as he leapt and spread his arms to end it all, he flew.
Oh,
Hey, look at that flying squirrel.
look at this.
Lenny was so impressed. He wished that someday he could fly.
Boy, I wish someday I could fly.
Chapter 4. Lana was in her dressing room, ready to go on stage. She was the prettiest lizard in all the land. She was going to be debuting her new one act about how sad she was.
Oh, I hope that I can land myself a boyfriend after I nail this scene.
When her
Cut it out, Lana!
her ex-boyfriend walked into the scene.
Seriously?
You dare show your face here again?
Yeah?
After
I'm
you
here.
left me on Thunder?
I told you I'd meet you at the bottom. I just didn't say when.
I waited for 2 hours.
That sounds like a personal problem. Now let's talk about my personal problems, Lana. 1, I don't have a place to live anymore. 2, I don't have a car to drive anymore. 3, I've never got to 3 before.
Yeah, you don't deserve to sleep in my place or use my car anymore after the way you treated me.
What?
So guess what? I'm going to get on that stage and I'm going to find myself someone who deserves my attention.
I thought it was a solo act.
Just as they were talking quietly in the corner, Lenny snuck in, wanting to give her flowers to prove his love. But he ate a few of them. He's a lizard, after all. But just then he saw Lana, and the ex-boyfriend, and he was ashamed of the fact that he burst in.
Oh, come on!
I'm feeling a little ashamed about that. Recently on your scene here. This is like scene one here.
No, it's cool. It's just me and my ex.
We were talking about anything important. I can
Nothing important except
Nothing
my
at all,
life.
nothing at all.
My heart.
That does sound pretty unimportant to me.
Lenny realized this was his chance, but he was too nervous to do anything. His knees started to shake together. His elbows started to shake. And his lips got really chapped. Lana had never seen a man lizard look so good before. Lenny,
You're not gonna like pee your pants or anything.
but Lenny did pee his pants, so he ran off stage. Slowly. He ran off stage. And Lana couldn't get over it. She couldn't get over it. Chapter 7. Lana's on stage delivering her one-woman show.
And then, as I climbed the mountaintop with my chubby lips, I saw at the top the bees of wax.
Lenny decided it was his time to burst forth from the audience. His knees started to knock. His elbows did what they were doing before his head.
And I seized the bees of wax.
Just as he was about to get on stage, the ex-boyfriend saw what was happening and decided to intrude.
I see what's happening here! This is supposed to be a solo act! Come on, lizard face!
Shut up! I'm really connecting with her, okay?
But then all the members of the women's lib movement were... Some people in the audience didn't realize that the election ended a few days ago. Just like the people on Town Square. No, Lenny was brave. He decided to silence all the others by singing his mating song. Come on!
Slam!
After all, he was with the middle class. Ooh, girl. Don't stop. You're my girl. Silence.
That's beautiful!
I can't remember my lines. I've never seen anything this beautiful before.
It was at that moment that the two of them decided to rap together.
Wrap me up, put me in a box, you know I rock. I calm down and I go around the town. Swear, hey, it's okay. You gotta be with me, honeybee, cause I'm your boy. Get on up, you be a toy.
Chappy lips, but I can't handle these really smooth hips. I really want a piece of that. I think you and I should get together like that. Do a little bit of this, a little bit of some, get on each other for fun.
The two of them cut an album. The ex-boyfriend was completely forgotten about, and the author of this story sold even more copies than Cradle Robber.